Hi, Mrs. Mama. Not a joke of the day. Today is something different.
I have duty to do forced by my husband.
Yeah, you're going to do an unboxing from Ariana and Evans.
A&E.
A&E. Now, we've basically opened the box, but we don't know what's in there yet. This is it.
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I have nothing to do with this order.
right. Okay. All right. Well, right on top, we see...
Okay, sniff one. See, tell me.
Okay. First one on top is...
Maybe this one.
Yeah, that's Tobacco Road. That is for Tony.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, Tony. I lick this first, then you have it.
All right.
Okay.
And then he put some samples on there, but we don't know what they are. Go ahead and pull it out of the bubble wrap and see if is it marked on there what it is?
Nothing on this box.
Nothing named?
No, it's just a sample box, so it doesn't say.
Okay.
Soap and brush samples.
Okay.
Sample.
All right.
I don't know what this is. It doesn't say. Hold on. Oh, there's the ingredients on the back of the box, but it doesn't seem like anything.
Doesn't have a name on
it. This has a name, but this doesn't. Okay, anyway. Oh, there it is.
What's it say?
Limes de silica.
Do I?
Sicilica.
Okay.
Limes de...
Lime?
Okay. Sicilica.
Cecilia. Okay. No, I'm...
Oh.
What the hell is that?
Sample.
Oh, and a little splash? Okay. All right. Next one.
Okay. Just down here.
Opie, you stay away from that.
Oh, that's right.
Can you smell it?
No,
you can smell it. You can smell it.
I smell my soap on my hand.
Yeah, you just washed your hands.
I just washed my hands. Okay, next one is Stateside Sonata. Sonata. How do you spell
Sonata, you said it right.
Okay.
Okay. A little soap and a splash. A little sample.
Yeah,
okay.
Same thing.
Very nice.
This one's also a sample. Emerald moss.
Emerald moss.
Emerald.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Emerald moss.
What's emerald?
Emerald, the stone. The
stone?
the green.
Gem?
Yeah.
It's mine.
Right.
The September stone.
Right, maybe.
Yeah.
It's green, right? Emerald.
No.
No. What color is it?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, emerald.
Right?
Yeah, green.
Okay.
Mine is a fire. Sorry. Mistaken.
Good? Okay, now the story with the soaps. I ordered 3 soaps, and there was a mix-up in shipping, and my order didn't get shipped out. Oh, sorry, there's another little sample there.
Yeah, this Legacy.
Legacy, okay. All right, so anyway, I ordered 3 soaps, and it didn't get shipped out for like 12 days. There was a mix-up, and Peter wasn't aware that it didn't get shipped.
Oh, okay.
So he said he would give me 2 extra soaps as an apology.
Oh.
And I told him, I said it wasn't necessary. I mean, I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. Mistakes happen. That's fine. But he did. It looks like he gave me 2 extra soaps anyway. Okay, so let's see what we've got. These are individually packed, so I don't know. Haven't seen what's in here yet.
I love this package. This UPS.
USPS.
USPS. The
envelope.
I love this. Okay, this one.
Okay.
Ariana.
Ariana and Evans.
Ariana and Evans.
Woods and spices, right there at the bottom.
Oh yeah, this is here. Woods and spices.
Here, a little closer. Oh, not that
sorry.
close. Flip right up against the glass.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It's a big jar.
Yeah, glass jar, right?
Yeah, it's glass jar.
Yeah.
It's nice. Nice and heavy.
Okay.
Next one is...
Geez, that's going to last forever.
Well, if you like it, it's not going to last forever.
True. I'm sure I'll like it.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
What is
It's
this one?
a
Vanilla.
Vedenta.
Yeah, I couldn't pronounce it either. Let's see. Vanilla.
Italian?
Vanilla Vendetta.
Sounds like Italian or Spanish.
Could be. All right. Very nice.
And
These must be the. These must be the.
Two jars in it.
Yeah, these must be the.
You order?
Nope. Oh. No, those are the order. Those three Those three there are the order.
Oh, okay.
So these must be the thank you gift or the
special gift.
Yeah, the special gift for the late shipping.
Oh, that's beautiful.
You got the cutter knife there.
Oh, that's right. Where is it? Where did it go? Oh. Don't be still with me. You gotta support me. You're supposed to.
Careful around him.
Yeah, I know. I'm not stupid.
Let me do it.
Let me do it. Oh, this smells good.
Well, don't surprise. What
Well, it's a special gift.
It's not Christmas morning.
Doesn't matter. I can't. Oh, it's this gorgeous writing. I can't read it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah, I can't read it either.
So much for that.
Artisan shaving soap, 5 ounces. I can't tell what flavor it is. Let's see. Cipresso bergamot.
Oh, bergamot. That's the tree.
Okay.
The name of the tree. It's supposed to be good for skin.
Okay. Okay, it's on the side of the jar.
Oh, yeah, it's here.
Oh, does it?
Too small.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's our old eyes.
Yeah. And this, geisha. Chasing the dragon.
Chasing the dragon. Okay.
And the geisha drawing.
Cool. Very nice. Looks just like you, babe.
Oh.
Get you a kimono. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, there we go. That is the unboxing from Ariana and Evans. Is there anything else in there?
Nope. On paper.
Okay. Well, Mr. Peter, thank you so much for sending everything.
Thanks for the troubles.
Yeah, Mr. Kevin, thank you so much for putting this together. Kevin went to the Kevin went to the open house and
ordered yours for him.
Yeah, I asked him to pick me up a couple soaps. So he did that, and I bought that Tobacco Road for Tony for bringing my stuff back this time.
Okay.
So I bought that for him. Okay. Yeah.
Does he know?
Yeah.
So is this his request?
Yeah.
Okay.
I told him to go on the website and choose one.
Okay.
Okay. So Kevin, thank you so much for putting this together for us. Peter, thank you so much for shipping and for the extra soaps. And yeah, looks like I've got some more video fodder. Right, Opie?
Well, I guess you gotta expand your lifespan.
Yeah. I gotta live a couple hundred years to get to all this. Alrighty, right, Opie? All right. Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
All right. This human belongs to Opie.
Yeah, I'm old.
Yeah.
My dog.
Yeah. All right. See ya. Thanks, Mrs. Mama.
Bye.
Bye. And that's my dad in the background over there. And David Lee Roth and Van Halen. Okay. Bye.